The wine is going to change this, but not right away. We're not easing into this. This is pork, mushrooms, cherries, and red wine, slowly coming together into something deep, rich, and complete. This dish originally came from my aunt in Germany. It's traditionally made with prunes. Today we're using cherries. Same idea, cleaner finish. This is a braise, which means we build flavors and layers, and then we give it time. No shortcuts here. Take your garlic, leave the skins on, crush them lightly. We're not cooking garlic pieces, we're infusing liquid. After you remove the silver skin from the pork tenderloins, cut them into medallions. We're going to flatten them slightly using a meat pounder. We're controlling the thickness so everything cooks evenly. Season with a little salt and freshly ground pepper. Nothing complicated, but it has to be now, not later. Heat your oil in the pan, drop in the medallions. Let them sit. If they don't release, they're not ready. That crust that forms, that's your foundation. We're doing this in batches, so we'll move the pork to the pot and start a new batch. Now we'll throw in the garlic into the pot too. Bay leaves, we're going to start to build around it. Once the pork's done, the mushrooms go in. They don't need color here. We need them to give up their water. That's where the flavor starts. This part matters as much as the sear. The onions go in. They start to soften, break things down. Now we've got some fond forming at the bottom. Everything that's stuck to the bottom, that's flavor. And it's coming with you. Everything goes into the pot. Then we're going to add the bottle of wine. Herbs, cherries. Bring it to a simmer. Cover it. Walk away. Time is doing the work now. The wine changes. It goes from sharp to round, clear to opaque. That's the transformation. Now with it uncovered, add the veal stock. Let it reduce. You're concentrating all the flavors. When you start to see the fat separate on the top, that's when you're there, not before. This is where it either comes together or doesn't. Pick out the bay leaves, leave the garlic. That's a special treat for somebody who gets it. Add the demi-glace to add a little depth. Tighten it, cornstarch and wine. Now with the heat off, you add your sour cream. Fresh herbs. This is where it becomes a dish. It should coat a spoon, not run, not clump, just hold. This is what we were waiting for. Why do pigs make terrible basketball players? They hog the ball. This is not a delicate food. It's warm. It's grounding. It's meant to sit with you. Why would you never rob a bank with a pig? They always squeal. The whole house smells like wine from that whole bottle. Let's cut into this now. Look at that pork. It's perfectly cooked. We've got all these mushrooms. Got a little cherry here. It's absolutely sublime. The pork is like butter. You have the tartness of the cherries and the earthiness of the mushrooms, all wound up with the wine. This is an easy victory for anybody who wants to make it. Give it a shot.